I build stuff. I think of ways to solve problems. No, it's not humanity issues or new ways to get to the moon. It's the everyday issues that I focus on. The things that annoy you. Sometimes it will seem that they don't even deserve a solution, but they do, and that's why I'm here. All this is sandwiched in between an intense family life and a full-time job. Stay tuned and stay busy. You will see both the successes and failures, hopefully to inspire you to solve something yourselves. And yes, I'm trying not to take myself too seriously. It's now time to do some welding.